It's pour day for the wood shop, finally. Hoping to get it done today, beat the rain we got coming in a couple days. To do the job, had to go rent this cool little dude. Little power buggy, or Georgia buggy, some people call it. You can use it for concrete, rock, rubble, dirt, whatever you want, but we're gonna use it for concrete. So we're gonna have to park the cement truck here, or the concrete truck here on the driveway, and then just buggy it on around back. This is supposed to hold about a 1/2 to 3/4 yard, but the I don't know how to say it. This is as far as I got. Backed off the trailer, boop, right there. And you can see it's not sunk in the mud. That back little tire dropped down, and these front tires, they're like turf tires, so they just don't have a whole lot of, oh, that's what happened. They're full of goo. They actually do got a pretty good tread depth on them, but they got packed full of clay and then started spinning. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna go get the tractor and pop this little dude out of the mud and then try to get it brought on around over here on the driveway where we can start making a plan on hauling everything back there. We got to go back, get the plumbing set in place, get the rest of the form set up, plastic out, and then we'll be ready for it. Okay, we've just about got it all set up and ready. The concrete mixer just pulled up. We're trying to make a plan. I'm hoping he can back here and just pour, but just in case, we've got that buggy. So I'll let them decide whether or not they want to do that. But I got the plumbing roughed in, so this will be our toilet drain. Be a cold supply coming in here on the sidewall, and the toilet drain just connects straight on through and goes to this 1.5-inch drain for the sink. So it's a real simple plumbing design. Goes on out, and then we'll set some septic tanks over there, just a little small dedicated system, so we can't, because our actual septic tanks for the house are actually up there in the yard and they're higher than this, so we have to put it on a separate unit. But anyway, you can get an idea for the setup now. Same as we did the house. We've got piers down 10 feet with a bell bottom on them, down on hard clay, and then we've got beam footers all the way around the outside that will sit on top of the piers, and then just a plain blank 30 by 40 slab. So they're finishing up the last little bits of tie and bar now, and we'll be pouring here shortly. So far so good. Holding up, that's really great. If we can make that corner. Ooh, he might just pour right off in there. He might be able to swing the shaft around and pour the slab. Well, it looks like we're going to get a little bonus here. We got all the main to the slab poured, and they're working on starting to float it now. And we still had, you know, we don't know for sure, but maybe a yard of concrete left on the truck. We're really not sure, but rather than just go dump it, which is actually what I was going to do just because I'm lazy and I didn't want to bother Jose with it, he said he could go ahead and set these little forms. So we're just going to form up right here on the outside where this walk door is going to go. We haven't leveled it. I have no idea if it's level or not, but oh well. But anyway, we'll get a little concrete slab outside the door. As long as it's not sloping in and running water into the shed, we'll be okay. Might go see if I can find a 4-foot level now somewhere just to make sure, but anyway, that'd be nice. So things are going good so far. All the piers, slab, everything's done. So just trying to get this last truck unloaded and start finishing.